Just a heads up, folks. Please don't be vibing with these powerful state-of-mind changing affirmations while you're driving or operating heavy machinery. Don't do it. Now, let's dive into these 100 tailor-made affirmations for folks on the comeback, those breaking free from a mindset prison, or recently released from a jail time prison. This is your daily dose of encouragement, motivation, and inspiration to fuel your strive and hustle to live your best life. Let's get in the zone and embrace the process. I am bouncing back like a boss. Past mistakes ain't dictating my future. Every day is a new chance to flip the script and update my story. I am riding high on my commitment to come up. Watch me rise. My past mistakes are stepping stones to my best self, no doubt. I've earned a clean slate and a bright future, paying my dues. I am focused on the possibilities to thrive, not on the limitations. My past mistakes are life lessons, not a life sentence. I'm free to grow. I've got the courage and confidence to face any challenge head-on. Every day I am building myself up with positivity and self-improvement. I let go of self-condemnation and embrace self-forgiveness. Yeah, I do. I don't hate on folks, and I hold no grudges. I forgive and let it go. Every day I am leveling up in self-love and self-appreciation. My life journey is one of a kind, and I am on a mission to fulfill it. I fill myself with positive vibes. It's my recyclable energy source. Each step I take toward my purpose gets me closer to my divine destiny. I am not just a hustler. I'm a best-life hustler, making things happen. My future is bursting with possibilities and potential for greatness. I dare to face life's challenges and come out on top. I am living a life of discipline, purpose, and constant achievement. Setbacks? Nah, just setups for my comebacks. I am worthy of success, happiness, and mad love. I am building my life one positive move at a time. I am giving back to humanity. I'm a natural-born giver. I am building a family legacy of wealth, inheritance, charity, business, and ministry success. I am a lifetime learner, and I'm growing every single day. I am letting go of negativity and embracing positivity. I am grateful for the chance to write my own life story. I've got the know-how to crush my objectives and goals. I have God-given power to create generational wealth. I am prospering financially and in every aspect of my life. I help feed the hungry, supplying financial help to the needy. I am a tower of hope and inspiration, helping others find their path. I am choosing to roll with positive, purpose-driven folks. I am counting on God to direct my steps and open doors. I am constantly evolving and constantly improving. That's me. I am attractive, charismatic, and confident. It radiates from me. I am sexually healthy, savvy, desirable, and enjoy a strong libido, always. I am deserving of life success, and I consistently hustling for it. I am not about my mistakes. I'm about the lessons learned. I am gratefully proud of the progress I've made. No turning back. I am striving to reach my destiny. I'm not half-stepping to get there. I am letting go of fear and embracing my inner courage. I am creating a lasting legacy for myself and my family. I am mastering the art of turning lemons into lemonade. I am radiating with confidence, courage, and self-assurance. I am creating opportunities for growth and real success. Setbacks are just setups for my ultimate come-up. Watch and see. I am a source of inspiration for others overcoming setbacks. I am a resilient soul rising up. Giving up is not an option. I am in control, choosing progress and growth every day. I am moving forward with confidence, courage, and grace. I am committed to building a future filled with abundance. The past ain't limiting my progress. It's fuel for my journey. I am a lifetime learner, and I'm growing every single day. I am constantly learning, growing, and evolving. That's me. I am deserving of love, respect, and lasting success. Appreciate it. I am grateful for the chance to rewrite my story and live my best life. I am a force for positive change and an example for others wanting change. I am embracing second chances and creating new beginnings. I am breaking free from the chains of my past, not looking back. I am a resilient spirit, overcoming any obstacle in my way. I am forgiving hurts of the past and moving into the future. I am attracting positive energy and opportunities, passing it forward. I am worthy of a life filled with abundance and joy. I am determined to create a life reflecting my true potential. I am a work in progress and getting better every single day. I am letting go of negativity, embracing positivity every day. I am blessed by God to be a blessing to family and friends. I am letting go of the need to compare. I'm unique and valuable. I am on a journey of self-discovery and perpetual growth. Yeah, I am. I am trusting in my ability to create a successful and fulfilling life. I am an overcomer, have strength with no bounds. I'm unstoppable. I'm grateful for the lessons of the past. They made me stronger. I am the builder of my life, and building greatness is my choice. I am a voice of hope and inspiration for those needing uplifting. I am worthy of success and capable of achieving it, no doubt. I am building a foundation for a positive and prosperous future. I am worthy of love, respect, and real happiness. Yeah, I am. I am choosing to see the good in myself and in other people. I am a magnet for profitable relationships and wealth opportunities. I am letting go of resentment, embracing a future filled with love. I am unique and valuable, doing me, deserving of all the good things. I am grateful for the chance to rebuild and be a better human being. I am capable of turning my dream into reality and enjoy living it. I am on a journey of self-improvement and pure empowerment. I am determined not to repeat the same mistakes, ever. I am a soul rising from the ashes. My come-up is forever. I am resilient, facing challenges with courage and strength. I am creating a life filled with purpose and real meaning. I am grateful for the second chance to create a better life. I am a powerful creator, shaping my destiny with positive thoughts and actions. I am deserving of all the good that life has to offer, like a best-life hustler. I am making a positive impact on the world around me. I am attracting opportunities for growth and success. I am choosing to let go of what I cannot change and focus on what I can. I am grateful for the abundance of the universe and welcome it into my life. A beacon of light, guiding others toward positivity, success, their best life. I am capable of achieving my goals and dreams, no question. I am a unique and valuable person, worthy of love and respect. I am grateful for the desires and expectations that propel me forward. I am building a future filled with abundant prosperity and fulfillment. I am resilient, rising above the circumstances of life, not living under them. I am a source of inspiration for those around me. Yeah, that's me. I am worthy of a life filled with an abundance of joy, health, success, and money. I am a masterpiece in the making, refining myself with faith actions every day. I am grateful for all the support and encouragement I have received in my life. I am fearless, knowing that I and my family are divinely protected. I am on a journey of self-discovery, embracing my transformation. I am a blessing to my family, the kingdom of God, my community, my country, the world. I am a successful speaker, adding value to the lives of millions globally. Listen to these affirmations safely, as often as possible, including while you sleep. Stay up, stay blessed, keep moving forward.